All right, today I'm going to share with you a little story, and it will inspire some of you to take action. About a year and a half ago, I opened up a test Etsy shop just to show my students how to get their shops open, what to look for, to find their niche. And I worked on it for like a couple months, and then I did absolutely nothing to it. In fact, I have products that still say 2019 on them. Yes. Oh, and if you're new here, hey, welcome. It's so good to have you here. Just leave me a comment and let me know where you're at in terms of starting your business, starting your Etsy journey. I would love to know what your thoughts are. Just leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this. Hey, let's go take a look at my back office. I'll show you exactly what went down. All right, so here we are. We are on Business Chic Mama. This is my Etsy shop, my test Etsy shop that I opened up literally for my students to show them, you can start something from scratch. It's a print on demand, which means you don't have to ship anything physically. And I walked them through the whole process, like how to find a niche and what products to choose and all the things that go into opening up an Etsy shop and then getting your first sale. So if you are interested in that program, in that course, I'm going to link it below. It's now 60% off. It's only $97. You can go ahead, click the link. It's called The Easiest Pie Etsy Shop, and you can join me, 130 other creators, so you can get your Etsy shop up and running. So I want to just share with you a little bit. We're going to pick through this shop. As you can see, the banner was, again, I just kind of did a very messy action, and I did a couple printables here. Obviously, if I was going to be really full force with this shop, I would be changing this banner, but this was really to show my students the process of getting a banner up and running. And we use Canva. Got 97 sales. And I had told you this is no bragging rights here, but just to show you, yeah, some sales come in the door. I opened it back in October 2019, I think it was. And you can I still have 2019 on my ornaments here. And even last year, which I was super surprised that I didn't think people were going to buy these ornaments, but they did. They asked me, they said, "Are these going to be 2020? And I said, "Of course." So I actually just changed that on the print on demand products, but they're not all ornaments. I do some other things. I've looked on Etsy to see where the holes were on Etsy, what people are looking for. And there are a few products that continually sell month after month in the shop, even though I'm not doing really anything. Just kind of on autopilot here. So 97 sales with doing really not much work. Now, full disclosure, I think the first month I advertised probably about $20 or so. So a few of those sales did come from advertising, but then I did not use advertising at all. This is really just for my search engine optimization and good thumbnails, learning how to search for items that are holes in the market where people are looking for, but there's not a lot of products, so kind of like supply and demand. And most of these products don't sell, but there are a few little golden ones that do sell on a monthly basis. So I think that, if I was to go back and start really working on this shop, I would simply be moving these Christmas ornaments to the back and pulling up the items that are really working. Get ready for some spring and summer items as we're moving into the summertime, and adding more products. I have 108 currently, and that's really what I wanted to share with you all today. So this is proof that if you just show up and you start to take action and you really learn and see what people are looking for on Etsy, and if you know how to do that, that you can start to have a very successful Etsy shop. Now, again, I'm not bragging that this is, 97 sales is not bragging rights, but just proof that even if you show up, you do a little bit of work, that you can start getting sales on Etsy. So I hope this encouraged you today just to take action Again, if you need that help, go ahead, grab my course. It's so inexpensive right now. I would love to know in the comments if you're struggling, what's going on with you. I would love to help you out. If there's any other questions that you have, feel free to reach out to me. And good luck, guys. I can't wait to see you in the next training.